My name is Putri and I love achievement college. I am from Doncaster Class and today I'm going to tell you about do-it-yourself video. So let's begin. So there is a person named Helen in the story. One day, Helen feels dissatisfied with her room. She wants to renovate it. Suddenly, her friends come to her room. One of her friends, named David, suggests her to put her bed onto the window. After that, her second friend, named Matt, suggested her to put the hi-fi on the chest of the drawer. After that, David has another suggestion. It is to put the chair in the corner of the room. Jane, her third friend, also has another suggestion actually. It is to paint the room. What a brilliant idea. But Helen can't do it because she is always too busy. She doesn't like painting and she doesn't really have time today because she has a lunch appointment at 1 p.m. But one of her friends named Jane offers her help to paint her room. So Helen leaves it to her friends. On the way, they are misguided. So they ask the pedestrian where is the direction to go to the DIY store. The pedestrian says it is to go straight on, turn left at the roundabout, go down the road, and it is in the right next to the supermarket. When they arrive to the supermarket, to the DIY store, they are searching for some colors. First, Matt suggests them to buy the black paint, but Jane says it is not suitable for Helen's room. So they are searching for another one. And then Jane offers and Jane says to David to buy the blue paint, but it is too expensive for a paint. So they didn't want to buy the blue paint. And then Jane suggests another color. It is the orange paint. They all think it is gorgeous and it is not expensive. So they buy some rollers and two orange paint. When they arrive home, they start to paint Helen's room. Jane asks her friend how do they feel about the color. Jane thinks the color is good. Matt thinks the color is gorgeous. David says the color is quite interesting, but it is good. When Helen arrives home, she goes upstairs to see what does her room looks like. Before going to her room, Helen says to Matt that his shirt color is horrible. After she enters her room, she screams because she is shocked. It is the same color as Matt's t-shirt. So I think this video is useful, or it teaches us to avoid many things, to avoid misunderstandings, and we need to tell our friends clearly if they offer us for a help. I think the moral of the lesson is we need to avoid the misunderstanding, and we can't blame people for our fault because it is not nice. I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay, hello Putri. How are you today?
I'm doing
I want to ask you, what do you think yourself video? So you already right? Okay, what do you think about that video?
It's quite entertaining because it has quite a lot of funny scene or funny part.
Which one is the most fun? The funniest part?
The one when Helen is shocked and she screams when she saw her bedroom color.
What do you think about Helen? Like the friends have helped her to decorate her room, but she seems not really like it, like what the friends did. What do you think about Helen?
Helen is not a great person because I think she really doesn't like the color. So she is mad with her friend, but that kind of that what she doing is not a good
Behavior.
that is not a good behavior.
So you agree that Helen is not really grateful person. So who's mistake actually?
That is Helen's mistake because she blames people for her fault.
How do you say? Why do you say that it's her fault?
When they offers a help to her, she doesn't says what color she wants or what color doesn't she like. So we probably say like, I don't like the color orange, just paint my room other color.
So actually Helen should say that to her friends. Okay, for you, what is the next scene happening? Will Helen paint a room also and do
I think Helen will call a painter because in the DIY video, Helen says she is bad at painting and she doesn't like painting.
Okay, so she will paint by calling the painter. Okay, for you personally, which one is more important? Having like going to your appointment or helping your friend?
Actually, if I'm in that position, I have another decision. Like I will paint the room the other day because my appointment is my own promise. We need to fulfill our promise to people who already promised to you.
But your friends ask for your help.
But when Helen sees them, I will cancel the lunch appointment and help them.
Because it's her room.
Yeah.
Okay. For you, if let's say your mom asks you what kind of decoration do you want to have, how? Should you explain like about the paint of the bedroom and so on, and the things that you want to put inside?
I think I will a mirror and paint my room purple.
Purple. Why purple?
It's my favorite color.
Ah, it's your favorite color. Okay, give me 3 questions, please.
But DIY. Wait, let me think. What do you think about Helen's room color?
I think Helen's room color is not really bad, the orange one. But maybe because Helen doesn't like it, so she doesn't really accept it.
Why doesn't she accept?
Maybe she doesn't like it, it's too bright for her, which maybe she likes the soft one, the nude color and other things.
What do you think? What do you think will happen? What do you think Helen will feel about it? Will she be mad at her friends?
I think the first that she will not be mad, she will just get shocked to see because the room is really the same like Matt's t-shirt, which is horrible for her, but I think after that she will say thank you to the friend as she remembers that the friend has helped her to paint the room. Then
I think that's all. Thank you.
okay, thank you.
The father already.